Hello everyone. In our previous class, we talked about two things or two examples we discussed about. First, how to find the population of a certain place within the certain time and at the certain rate of population growth. And in next example, we talked about how to find the population growth rate if the other things are given to us. Now, here we are going to talk about the next thing in example question number 3. Here we are going to find the time duration. That means we are going to find the time where other things are given. So let's go to this question as well. Here the present population of a place is 10,000. If after certain years the population of the place will be 13,225 at the rate of 15% per annum, then find the time duration. So here also, if you see the question minutely, then two time frame has been given to us. One is about present and another one is about future. So present population, when we talk about present and future case, then present population is considered as the initial population and population after certain years is considered as PT. So here PO has been given to us. So PO is 10,000 and population after certain years. So let's say the certain years is T years. So I'm supposing PT as 13,225 and we are given the rate of population growth as 15% per annum. So we are looking for time. So time equals to what? So now we have the formula PT equals to PO 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. So in place of PT, we can write the value 13,225 equals to PO is 10,000 and 1 plus rate is 15 by 100 whole to the power T. Now, this is somehow similar like the previous calculation. Let's bring 10,000 on the denominator of left hand side. So 13,225 by 10,000 equals to 1 plus, if we divide 15 by 100, then 0.15 will come to the power T. Or when we divide this value by 10,000, then we'll be obtaining 13,225 divided by 10,000, then 1.3225 will be obtained, and then on the RHS we have 1.15 to the power T. Now after doing this calculation, one very important steps has come, that is on the left hand side we have 1.3225, whereas on the RHS we have 1.15 whole to the power T. Now do check in your calculator that this value on the LHS for what power of 1.15 this value can be obtained. Let me remind you once again, for what power of 1.15 we can obtain 1.3225, because on the RHS there is 1.15. So by seeing this value, I am telling you how to find this value in terms of 1.15 to the power form. So if we check in your calculator, 1.15 whole to the power 2, if I do 1.15 to the power 2, then I'm getting 1.3225, which is exactly similar with this. So if it does not match here, then you can move ahead like 1.15 to the power 3, 1.15 to the power 4. So until and unless you don't get the value, you can just move ahead. Now this time for 1.15 to the power 3, I'm getting the exact 1.15 to the power 2, I'm getting exact value of 1.3225. Hence on the left hand side where 1.3225 was there. I'm writing 1.15 to the power 2, whereas on RHS we had already 1.15 to the power t. So according to exponential rule or exponential law, if bases are same, then powers will be same. So therefore we can write 2 equals to t. So eventually t equals to 2 years. In this way we can find the time duration. Now after talking about this example, now let's talk about the next and last example on this chapter. That is, we had found population after certain years, we found population, we found rate of growth, we found time duration. Now lastly, let's find out what is the initial population of the certain condition. Now let's look at this question. According to 10% per annum population growth, the present population of a village is 1,99,650. What was the actual population of that village 3 years ago? So if you see this question, you can easily see here two time frame. One is present and next one is 3 years ago. That means past population. So when we talk about past and present condition, then past population is considered as initial population and present population is considered as population after t years. So according to 10% population growth rate, so here we can easily write r equals to 10% per annum, and present population of the village is this. That means as we are going to find the population after 3 years, so that means this 1,99,650 will be population after 3 years or present population. So P3 will be 1,99,650 and time is 3 years. So we are asked to find what is the initial population. That means what was the population of that place 3 years ago. So we have PT equals to PO 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. So or PT, in place of PT now we can write P3. PO, that's what we are looking for, 1 plus rate is 10 by 100 to the power 3. I think you guys are quite clear till now. P3 we have 199,650 equals to PO 1 plus 10 by 100 is 0.1 to the power 3 or 19965 equals 50 PO times, this is 1.1 to the power 3. So or 1,99,650 equals to, when you multiply these things power, then you will get 1.331 PO. So now 1,99,650 divided by 1.331 equals to PO. So I am bringing 1.331 from the RHS to the LHS. Now 1,99,650, when we divide it by 1.331, then our value of PO is 15,440. That means 1,50,000, which is the initial population of that place, or this was the population of that place 3 years ago. So now I think you all guys are clear about how to deal with these kinds of question. Now some exercise or some questions are there which I hope you will solve easily, and in case of problems we can discuss later. Thank you everyone.